While many compact SUVs leave buyers with regret, that's not the case with the CX-50. Mazda's SUV stands out with style, elegance, luxury, and ride quality, but also with strengths that may not be visible at first but make a huge impact on the overall ownership experience. It's actually so good that we have found 7 reasons why the 2026 Mazda CX-50 owners will be trapped with it forever. Let's check them out. Number 7. Efficient hybrid powertrain. Mazda has made a brilliant decision by borrowing Toyota's battle-tested hybrid technology, the same system that's been proving itself in millions of RAV4s worldwide. This isn't experimental technology that will leave you stranded at the dealership. This hybrid system is delivering 219 horsepower while achieving an incredible 38 miles per gallon combined. For perspective, that's better fuel economy than most compact cars while providing SUV capability and all-wheel drive as standard. The electric motor provides instant torque that makes acceleration smoother and more responsive than traditional engines. What makes this powertrain truly special is how seamlessly it operates. The transition between electric and gasoline power is so smooth that most drivers won't even notice when the system switches modes. The battery pack has been intelligently integrated without compromising cargo space or ground clearance, proving that efficiency doesn't require sacrifice. With fuel prices continuing their upward trend, this hybrid advantage is going to save owners thousands of dollars annually. While other SUV owners are wincing at gas pumps, CX-50 hybrid owners will be driving past with smug satisfaction. This kind of operating cost advantage makes trading in feel financially irresponsible. Number 6. Excellent ride quality. Mazda is achieving something that seems impossible, a suspension setup that delivers engaging handling without punishing passengers. The 2026 CX-50 is once again going to offer that rare combination of athletic performance and daily comfort that keeps owners satisfied year after year. The engineering behind this achievement is sophisticated. Mazda's chassis tuning provides minimal body roll during spirited driving, while still absorbing road imperfections gracefully. The steering offers genuine feedback and precision that makes even routine trips more engaging than they have any right to be. This balanced approach means the CX-50 never feels like a compromise. Morning commutes are comfortable and refined, while weekend drives become genuinely enjoyable experiences. The suspension soaks up highway expansion joints and potholes without complaint, yet remains composed when cornering demands arise. Most compact SUVs force buyers to choose between comfort and performance. The CX-50 is eliminating that choice entirely, creating a vehicle that excels in both areas. When you find this kind of dynamic balance, trading it for something inferior becomes unthinkable. Number 5. Luxurious interior. The 2026 CX-50's cabin is going to make owners forget they're driving a compact SUV. Mazda is continuing their philosophy of creating interiors that feel genuinely premium without the inflated price tags that usually accompany such quality. Materials throughout the cabin are substantial and well chosen. Soft touch surfaces dominate the dashboard and door panels, while available leather upholstery rivals what you'd find in vehicles costing significantly more. Every surface feels like it was designed to last, not just impress during the first few months of ownership. The design approach is particularly clever. Rather than chasing flashy trends that quickly become dated, Mazda is focusing on timeless elegance that will remain relevant for years. Clean lines, quality materials, and thoughtful details create an atmosphere that never feels cheap or compromised. Storage solutions are intelligently designed throughout the cabin. The center console provides genuine utility. Door pockets can actually hold belongings securely, and clever compartments are positioned where they'll be used regularly. This level of practical luxury makes downgrading to a cheaper interior feel like genuine punishment. The attention to detail extends to every interaction. Buttons have satisfying tactile feedback, knobs turn with precision, and the overall build quality suggests this interior will age gracefully rather than falling apart after a few years of use. Number 4. Lots of standard equipment. The 2026 CX-50 is going to arrive with equipment levels that make competitors look stingy. Standard features across the range include an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, and a power rear liftgate, amenities that many rivals still consider premium options. All-wheel drive comes standard on every single CX-50, regardless of trim level. This represents significant value when many competitors charge thousands extra for all-weather capability or simply don't offer it at all. In a segment where AWD can add substantial cost, Mazda's decision makes the CX-50 immediately more appealing. The infotainment system includes a large display with wireless smartphone integration, multiple charging ports, and intuitive controls that that actually work. Unlike many modern vehicles that bury basic functions in touchscreen menus, the CX-50 maintains physical controls for climate and audio functions. Safety equipment is comprehensive and standard. Automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control come with every CX-50, providing peace of mind without additional cost. These systems work smoothly and naturally, enhancing safety without feeling intrusive or annoying. This level of standard equipment means CX-50 owners won't feel pressured to upgrade for features they should have had from the beginning. When your vehicle already includes everything you need, the motivation to trade up disappears entirely. Number 3. Stylish and rugged exterior. The CX-50 achieves that delicate balance between rugged capability and sophisticated style. Mazda's design team has created proportions that suggest adventure capability without looking cartoonish or overly aggressive. The exterior strikes an ideal balance that allows it to look appropriate in any setting. Whether parked at a trailhead or outside a business meeting, the CX-50 projects the right image. Black body cladding and pronounced wheel arches suggest off-road capability while maintaining the refined proportions that keep it looking sophisticated. The front end features Mazda's signature design language that creates genuine road presence. The grille design and headlight treatment flow seamlessly together, creating a cohesive appearance that looks more expensive than the price suggests. This is styling that will age gracefully rather than looking dated in just a few years. What's particularly smart about the CX-50's design is how it avoids chasing temporary trends. Rather than incorporating design elements that will quickly become outdated, Mazda has focused on timeless proportions and quality execution. This approach ensures the vehicle will remain visually appealing throughout its ownership lifecycle. Number 2. Proven gas engines, potent turbo 4. The 2026 CX-50 is going to continue with powertrains that prioritize proven reliability over experimental technology. While competitors rush toward complex systems that often create expensive problems, Mazda is perfecting traditional engines that deliver dependable performance. The base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine provides 187 horsepower with the kind of smooth, linear power delivery that makes daily driving pleasant. This engine has been refined over multiple generations, eliminating common issues and optimizing performance across all operating conditions. For those wanting more excitement, the turbocharged 2.5-liter delivers 256 horsepower and substantial torque. This turbo engine provides strong acceleration for highway merging and mountain driving while maintaining reasonable fuel economy. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, without the lag or harshness that characterizes many forced induction engines. Both engines pair with Mazda's well-tuned automatic transmission that prioritizes smooth operation over flashy technology. The transmission logic anticipates driving needs without hunting for gears or delivering jerky shifts. This level of refinement creates a powertrain experience that feels more premium than the specifications suggest. What makes these engines particularly valuable is their reliability track record. Mazda has spent years perfecting these powertrains, creating systems that mechanics understand and parts suppliers stock readily. You're getting proven technology that won't leave you stranded or facing expensive experimental repairs. This powertrain reliability means CX-50 owners can expect years of trouble-free operation, making the idea of trading for something newer and potentially less reliable seem foolish. Number 1. It's reliable and holds value well. The 2026 CX-50 is going to create the ultimate ownership trap, a vehicle that's too valuable to sell. J.D. Power rates the CX-50's resale value at 83 out of 100, which puts it in great territory and ahead of most competitors in the segment. Reliability predictions place the CX-50 at average or better for its class, with Mazda's overall brand reputation continuing to improve. While some early model years of any vehicle can have issues, Mazda's conservative engineering approach typically results in fewer problems than competitors who rush unproven technology to market. The combination of strong resale value and reliable operation creates a financial equation that discourages trading. When your vehicle retains its value while continuing to operate dependably, the math simply doesn't support upgrading to something newer and potentially less reliable. Market analysis shows the CX-50 depreciating at around 38 to 42% over 5 years, which is better than average in its segment. This slower depreciation rate means owners retain more equity, making trade-ins less financially attractive. Why accept a significant loss when your current vehicle continues delivering excellent service? The CX-50's appeal in the used car market remains strong due to its upscale design, standard all-wheel drive, and Mazda's reputation for building vehicles that age gracefully. This sustained demand supports resale values and makes selling feel like leaving money on the table. Mazda's rising brand reputation and limited fleet sales help maintain exclusivity that supports long-term value retention. Unlike competitors that flood rental fleets and depreciate rapidly, the CX-50 maintains its appeal through controlled production and genuine desirability. But the CX-50 isn't the only SUV in the segment that owners simply refuse to sell. Check out this video about reasons why Subaru Forester owners get furious when asked to sell, which you can now see on the screen. Subaru's compact SUV just got a hybrid powertrain, which rounded up this excellent package and made it the most complete vehicle in the class.